Now, this portion of the page is actually directly from your homework, so I don't want to do all of it. I'm going to just do a few quick questions to show you how you should really be answering these. So, looking at the first section, question 3 says, name a point not on line AC. So, line AC is right here. So, I can name any point that is not on that line. So, think about what is on that line. That line contains A, B, and C. So, what points are not a part of that line? Now, I want you to remember as you go through this, these script letters are not points. They are not points. So, only look at what could be a point not on AC. I'm only asking for one, but there are multiple options. So, you can either have D or E. Another question, let's see. What is another name? Number 7, what is another name for plane P? Now, please, I use the note sheet as a reference guide. So it's asking for a name for the plane. Going back up to the top here. A plane. We used points H, K, and J. They cannot all be on the same line to name a plane. You can use 2 points that are on a line and then a third one, but they can't all be 3 be on the same. So I cannot use plane A, B, and C. That doesn't work. They are all on the same line. So at least 1 point needs to not be on the line. There again are multiple answers to this question. You could use ABD, DBC, BEC, CAD, for example. Multiple answers. So there's not one correct answer to this question. So I'm just going to pick one and say line BCE. But multiple correct answers. Now, when you're typing these in, we tend to type them in alphabetical order, so try doing the same as well. So think about going in alphabetical order. I'll look at some of these other ones. Let's see. Does line AB intersect point D? Number 10. Well, look at line AB. Trace it out with your finger or your pencil. Does it look like it's ever going to cross point D? What do you think, guys? I don't think it will. Okay. It's a good one. Name the intersection of plane N. So plane N is the big rectangular plane. And line AE. AE is going vertical, but disappears because it goes through the plane or goes through the piece of paper. So where are they crossing each other? Remember your postulate. The intersection, number 6, of a line and a plane is a point. So you're just looking to name a point. Now look at line AE. Does it go through point C? No. Does it go through point D? No. So where on the plane does it touch the actual plane? That would be point B. Now we have our rectangular box here with several planes, and some people might like to color them in different colors or highlight them. Just be real careful. It can be a little overwhelming, but you might need to use colored pencils to differentiate or something. So, whoop, where'd it go? There it goes. It says, name the intersection of planes GAB and FEH. So GAB, I'm going to highlight or color that GAB. So those 3 points are all a part of this top plane. So that is this guy right here. GAB. And then we have FEH. FEH is this side of the plane. So we're going to connect all of those together. So where do they touch? Where do they line up? And they're two planes. Looking back at our postulates, the intersection of two planes is a line. So we're not naming a point, we are naming a line. So where does the yellow plane match up with the red plane? What is the name of the line? Right here on the edge. What 2 points make up that line? That would be GH. Okay, so finish up the rest of your homework. Shoot me a message. You can use the little blue box under the question number to send me a chat on here on Formative, or if you need to send me an email or a message on It's Learning. But work through your homework and let me know if you have questions.